Good morning, students. So we are starting the lessons for Thursday, October 1st, already October, and we are reviewing division, long division, for the last time. So it's not the last time that we'll see division, but it will be the last time that you work only on long division. So the good thing is we don't have anything new to learn. So if you have any trouble understanding what some of these long division problems might be, then I definitely suggest going back to the last three days, the last three videos for lessons. And of course, our Zoom meetings are a perfect time to ask questions. So what you're going to do for page 20 today is just your review exercises, speed drills, and then all these different kinds of division. So just keep in mind when you have 2 digits instead of 1, and that you are bringing down all of the numbers and bringing up all of the remainders. So once you are done with reviewing division, we will have a complete review of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division tomorrow. So all things that you've already learned, all things that you've already been doing for a really long time. So it's really cool that we are ending this kind of chapter and then starting on to brand new things next week. So here for your language, it is a continuation of what we did yesterday. So especially if you were able to come to Zoom at 11, you know that we discussed how to complete these nouns and how to write the rules. So just the same directions for numbers 5 through 8. You're going to go to the specific rule under the green box. So for example, number 5, we have rule 5. So you would flip, find rule 5, and notice to form the plural of most nouns ending in F, you add S. So we notice that all of these words end in F. So that means you would just add an S. And over here, you would just write out the rule. So all you're doing is copying the actual rule. And you're going to do the same thing for the rest of them, just like yesterday. So you will see that for number 6, you go to rule 6. And then we see that rule 6 means that forming a plural of nouns ending in O, preceded by a consonant, you add ES. So that tells us that all of these sample words are going to end in ES. Simple. And then you copy the rule. And here we have our spelling assignment for Thursday. So what you're going to do for the top, as we have different lists 1 through 5 that we're reviewing, this time we have lists 1 through 5, a bunch of different words from all of the different lists that we have learned. And you are going to enter these words in their shape boxes. So we've done this once before. All you have to do is find the words that fit in these lines. So remember to look for long words that go up. The dotted words are I's. And then the ones that go down, let's see if we can find one, like right here, would be G's or Y's or letter P's. So you're just fitting in the words. And my suggestion is, if you really can't find a space for one, skip it, try another one, and then see which words you have left over. Here on the bottom, we have a cool exercise. So what we have to do is add or subtract letters to write the vocabulary words. So you're going to pay attention to the little subtraction or addition symbols. So for example, for number 15, it says intersection minus the ION. So that means that we're going to write the word minus the ION. So that gives us the word intersect. Because we are copying the word minus this. For number 16, for example, we have contract minus the tract plus the tact. So we're going to minus tract. So we are going to write CON, not TRACT, because we're minusing it, but then we're adding tact. And as you can see, we have the words here. Here we have intersect, and here we have contact. So if you're having a little bit of trouble subtracting or adding the letters, you will find the clues here. So all of the answers are actually here. So just do your best, add and subtract. If you're having a hard time, take a peek at your list.